Hello everyone, Thomas Cowell with Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group. Here's your top 3 renovations to add value to your home. Number 1, paint. Number 2, carpet. And number 3, landscaping. Number 1 is paint. It's got the best return on investment. It's cheap, it's easy, and you can do it yourself. Freshen up the interior of your home with a new paint job. Get rid of that old pink or red walls and replace it with something that's modern. You can look at your local hardware store and figure out which colors are in trend right now. Number 2 is carpet. Maybe that carpet's stained, it's old, you've washed it 100 times. Replace that carpet, freshen it up, get a new carpet that makes it pop when buyers walk through that room. And the third one is landscaping. We always say curb appeal is everything, and you only have one shot at a great first impression, so you want to make sure that that buyer that's looking at your home, the house looks great, your landscaping is great. So when they walk in, pressure wash the driveway, pressure wash the sidewalk, plant a few flowers, plant a few shrubs. Make sure the landscaping, the curb appeal looks great. Lastly is a bonus tip. Finish any renovation project that you've already started. Very key. Buyers don't like to walk through a home and have 10 or 15 different projects on the go and they're not all finished. Finish up in your renovation project, make sure your home looks great, and follow those 3 tips here. If you have any questions about real estate, feel free to drop me a line or give me a call. Thomas Cowell, Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria marketplace.